Okay, before using the concept of permutations, we must know the fundamental principle of counting. What is fundamental principle of counting? Let's take one example here. Suppose this is a room and we have three entrance doors and two exit doors. Question is to find the number of ways in which a person can enter and then exit. To find the number of ways, not only that in which how many person can enter. Question is to find the number of ways in which a person can enter and exit. Let us say he is entering from gate number 1 and exit from A. So this is the one complete way, 1A. So 1B can be the 1C, 2A can be the 2B, 3A and 3B. Can enter and exit? Can enter and exit. Same way for 2, same way for gate number 3. So total we have 6 ways. Now by the fundamental principle of counting, to enter we have 3 ways and to exit we have 2 ways. So total number of ways we'll get by the principle of multiplication, that is 3 into 2. Total we have 6 ways. So we'll always use this concept of multiplication. Let us take one more example. Suppose from Delhi to Mumbai there are 4 routes to go. From Delhi to Mumbai 4 routes to go. In how many ways? Now listen the question properly. In how many ways a person can go and then come back? In how many ways a person can go and then come back? So these are, let us say, route names. So you can go by route number 1, can come back by route number 1, 1, 2, going by 1, coming back by 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Same way 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. So we have total number of ways. To go 4 ways, to come back 4 ways, 16 ways will be there. So better in place. Suppose we have 50 routes in between, so we cannot do it this way. We'll use what? Principle of multiplication, that is fundamental principle of counting. 4 into 4, 4 to go and 4 to come back, we have 16 ways. Now suppose we are putting one condition in it. Condition is what? To come back you cannot take the same route by which one is going. He cannot take the same route to come back. So to go we have 4 ways, but suppose he is going by route number 1, so he cannot come back by route number 1. He can come back by 2, 3, 4. So to come back 3 ways. Suppose he is going by 2, again 1, 3 and 4 is for coming, so again 3. So to go 4 ways and to come back always we have 3 ways only. So total number of ways are 12. So this is what is your fundamental principle of counting by multiplication. Just note it down.